Welcome back to the channel. Rocket. Today, we're looking at one of the boldest moves in the automotive world, the 2026 Mazda Motor Home. Yes, Mazda has entered the RV game, and trust me, this isn't just another boxy camper. This is style, performance, and luxury on wheels. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a motorhome. Mazda has taken its sleek Kodo design language, the same vibe you see on its sedans and SUVs, and scaled it up. The result? A futuristic motorhome that looks more like a luxury SUV concept car than a bulky RV. From the slim LED headlights to the solar panel roof and sculpted rear, this thing turns heads everywhere it goes. Step inside, and the wow factor gets even bigger. Forget boring beige plastic interiors, this feels like stepping into a luxury boutique hotel suite on wheels. We're talking real wood trim, brushed aluminum, soft Nappa leather, ambient LED lighting, and even a full queen-size bed with panoramic windows. The living area is flexible, the kitchen is smart with a touchscreen system, and yes, there's even a rainfall shower in the bathroom. Tech lovers, Mazda didn't forget you. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus built-in navigation optimized for RV travel. Add 5G Wi-Fi, wireless charging pads in every corner, and a 360 degrees camera system, and you've got one of the most connected motorhomes ever built. Now let's talk about performance. This is where Mazda leaves traditional RVs in the dust. Under the hood is a 3.3L inline-6 turbo engine with mild hybrid tech, pushing out 350 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. It drives more like a big SUV than a clunky RV thanks to Mazda's G-vectoring control and AWD system. For eco-conscious drivers, there's even a plug-in hybrid with up to 50 miles of pure electric range. Price? The base model starts around $85,000, with luxury and hybrid trims reaching just over $115,000. Expensive? Sure. But for what you're getting, design, comfort, tech, and drivability, this might just redefine what we expect from motorhomes. So here's the big question: is the 2026 Mazda Motor Home the ultimate road trip machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take this over a traditional RV? Don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, bell, and share this with a fellow travel lover. Because this isn't just a vehicle, it's Mazda's